baby got butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Now when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get.
Okay na. This is the snot game. Can you guess the word? Tell me when you know the answer.
Cut.
Okay.
This is the snap game. Before my turn, you gave me cut. Let your mind wander around the house. You will see it here. Let me give you another hint.
Ball. Balloon?
Balloon.
This is the snap game. I bet you know the answer. Can you guess it?
Ice.
Yes.
This is the snap game. For this turn, you have to look around the house again. Right now, it's maybe in front of you. Did you know the word already? Gotta hurry up, you're running out of time.
Fridge.
Fridge.
This is the snap game. Surely you're gonna guess the word. Focus.
Safe.
Yes.
This is the snap game. Most people who finished high school will be able to guess this. Tell me when you know the word.
Mitosis.
Mitosis.
This is the snap game. Can you guess the word? You better compose yourself.
Cytoplasm. Cytokinesis.
Yes! Ang bilis!
Kung konti naman ng words sa science na may CY. This is the snap game. Love you.
Electron.
More towards chemistry.
Elements. This is the snap game. Guess the word.
Germs.
No?
Genetics.
Yes.
This is the snap game. Pupils often don't know about this until they are in high school. Let me know when you're ready.
Plants.
Somehow connected to three
Plasma.
other... Yes. Galing.
This is the snap game. Please listen. Have you think the word? Tell me when you know the answer.
Photosynthesis.
Yes.
This is the snap game. Ready?
Aerobes. Aerobic. Aeroscope.
You know the answer?
Aerodynamics.
Yes. Galing. Ang tutuwa tuloy ako.
This is the snap game. See if you can guess this word. Think more.
Astronomy.
Yes.
Favorite subject mo eh.
Yeah.
What's this?
Yay!
Ah,
Oh my
CD.
god, ang cute! This is cute!
Simple
Oh
lang
my
nito,
god, ang
guys.
cute!
Puro siya.
Headset.
Babe, alam mo kasi sira lang na headset.
Kaya nga yung binili ko, headset. Kasi
Thank you.
alam kong sira na yung headset mo.
Thank you.
Ang
Ano, kasama
cute!
to?
Thank you for this.
Ano to?
Cute ka!
Alam mo ba ano to? Trolleys, guys. Lagi kong kinukuha dito yung gantong hamburger yan. Alam na ni Kuya.
Thank you for this.
Triggered a lot of childhood memories.
Next.
Ano yan?
I can siya.
Algan siya? Oh, sige babe, I can use this.
I can use this also. What's that?
Kasi yung
Oh, yung
yung
salamin.
salamin mo babe ay medyo pasira na sa dorm. Lagi na yung ginagawa. So yan.
Okay. Actually, yun talaga binili ko.
Diba nun?
Kasi hindi ka na nga nagsasaks ng maayos. Oh my God. Yay! Ah! Cute! Cute! This one's for you. Something to wear. Kasi guys, gusto ko sa Jiro na nagpo-polo. Kasi bagay na bagay. Sa kanya dito, oh. Gusto ko siyang na nagpo-polo. Yan, something to wear.
Thank you.
Thank you for this. Ang cute. Ah!
Manga, yes.
Ang ganda!
Mango.
You like that?
Of course.
Sa DIY. Ang ganda.
For table mo.
Ang
Ano
cute.
yan?
Wait lang. Tape recorder. Gusto mo pakinggan?
You have the same idea, babe. You have the same idea. Basahin mo yung ano.
I can't wait to go home to you every night, to always be with you while living life, for I have been just existing and you somehow made me feel like I'm alive. I can't wait to marry you. Until then, please hold on to this letter. I love you. I love you too. Aww, you're so thoughtful. Merry Christmas. I love you.
Ano siya, parang syringe. I found yet to be the weirdest thing I can say. Nasa loob ng bag niya. Ito. Ballpen. Mukha siyang payong. Basa. Ito, blue? Ano siya, parang syringe. It's all over my hands. Search natin. Okay, so it says here, Lactomedi Intimate Care Gel. It's a probiotic gel for women that helps restore the natural balance. So basically, you put it down there. Tapos sinumpas kanina na, oh, I get it now. But I don't wanna think about it. It maintains a healthy pH level, prevents PV and yeast infections, and helps with odor and irritation. So ilalagay siya doon. Props dun sa nagawa kasi they made products like this as specific for women kasi alam naman natin na napaka-sensitive ng feminine reproductive area. Babe, no. Sorry.
Kailangan na sa bag ko. 3, 2, 1, S. Gas. 3, 2, 1, K.
Tang.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, P.
S. Soup.
3, 2, 1, P.
J.
Jump. 3, 2, 1,
M.
S.
Mas.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, E.
H.
U.
Galing.
3, 2, 1, R.
S.
Sour.
Sour.
3, 2, 1, N.
Andon. Andon. Termin sa IE. Game na.
Okay.
Andon.
3, 2, 1, F.
L.
Loaf.
Low.
3, 2, 1,
B.
H.
Ay, bad word mo, di ko na sabihin. Batch. Batch as in magkatay. Batch as in magkatay.
3, 2, 1, R. Roar. 3, 2, 1,
T.
S. Toss.
Nuod ko na tas. BK ang dulo nun. Task na.
Toss. T-U-S-S. Search mo kay Dola Dali.
Tas.
Is there a word toss?
Ha?
Meron! Ano
Something.
ibig sabihin?
It can refer to a fight, argument, or scuffle. A bit of a task.
Para siyang slang, medyo slang.
Medyo lang.
Pero siya ay from the word tasak. Pwede, merong British
Okay, di-count natin. 3, 2, 1, U.
S. As.
3, 2, 1, W.
W. Wow.
3, 2, 1, C.
R. Ano ba sa'yo?
C.
Car.
Car.
3, 2, 1, B.
J. Job.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, P.
H. Hop.
Oo nga, hap.
3,
3, 2, 1, N.
Kiln.
3, 2, 1, K.
C. Clock.
3, 2, 1, T.
H.
Hat.
Hat.
3, 2, 1, E.
L. Life.
3, 2, 1, D.
F. Feed.
3, 2, 1, R.
J.
Jar. 3, 2, 1, B.
C.
Cub.